Editing records one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take a lot of time, especially when you need to update invoices, bills, journal entries, customers, vendors, items, or old records in bulk. In this video, I'll show how to edit QuickBooks Desktop data in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. The workflow is simple. Export the data from QuickBooks Desktop, make the changes in Excel, and import it back using the Update option. For this example, I'm editing invoice data. First, open your QuickBooks Desktop company file and keep it running in the background. Then, open SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Go to the dashboard and click Export. Now choose the QuickBooks type you want to export. Here, I'm selecting Invoice. Choose the date type, then select the from and to dates. Need a more specific export? Go to the Filter tab and filter by account, customer, reference number, status, or other available fields. Then go back to the Search tab and click Search. SaasAnt will pull the matching records from QuickBooks Desktop. Review the data on the screen. Now choose Excel or CSV and click Download. Open the downloaded file. Make the changes you need. For this example, I'm updating the customer name in the invoice file. Once the changes are done, save the file. Now go back to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Click Import. On the File selection screen, choose the same transaction or list type. Here, I'm selecting Invoice. Click Browse File and select the updated file. Choose the saved mapping or use SaasAnt default mapping. Now turn on the Update option. This tells SaasAnt to update existing QuickBooks records instead of creating new ones. Click Review. On the Review and Import screen, check the updated data once. Check the updated fields, like the customer name in this example, before sending it to QuickBooks. Once everything looks correct, click Send to QuickBooks. SaasAnt will update the existing records in your QuickBooks Desktop company file. After the update, SaasAnt will show the results summary with Successful. To verify the update, click the QuickBooks link in SaasAnt. It will open the specific record directly inside QuickBooks Desktop. Check the updated field and confirm the change. You can also use the Undo option in SaasAnt if you need to roll back the update. That's it. This is how you edit QuickBooks Desktop data in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. If you handle bulk corrections, cleanup work, or client data updates, this workflow can save a lot of manual effort.